Hey, I'm live. So, before starting like anything, let's tweet that I am live. Let's go right there and ah, I am live. I am live on YouTube. YouTube. Hmm. So, it also that print cake using assembly. So I decided to do this using like YouTube really live, and let's do this. Let's move the tweets. So here you can see I have a file named cake.asm which is made in D drive. It's completely empty, it's saved right now, and I will be doing it all from scratch. Okay, so the first thing first, we will type a dot 386. Now here it is 80386 set of instruction that we have to use. Okay, now let's have dot model flat and std call all, and this particular line tells how to read the code, and it's how to read the code in the memory. Okay, and that's the standard call is a convention. Now let's add an option of case map and turn it to none. Now what this thing do is essentially tells tells the computer that this option case, that the code here, the variables here and everything here is case sensitive, right? And now we are going to include a couple of libraries. So this is a typical import that we do. Let's do slash masm32. Now this is the first time I am like doing something like with machine learning, so pardon me if I'm, well, not machine learning, with assembly. Pardon me if I am not able to explain you things that well, but let's do it for the sake of doing it and show you to print it, like showing you the general size of the code that we have with it, right? So these two libraries that I have imported right now are used for memory management and assembling this program. This above one is used for memory management, and this below one is used for assembling the program. And the way we assemble this is by using the assembler of Microsoft. So M stands for Microsoft and ASM stands for assembly, and then further down to an executable file. So let's include some more things. Include let's include the library and slash mas32. And if any point I'm wrong, be sure to correct me. I will make a list of those corrections and pin it in comments somewhere so that everyone can see that. And we will use these libraries to print what we are going to print. So let's do this masm32.lib. That's correct. So let's initiate that. This is called a directive, data directive, and this is where we store all the variables that we have. So we are going to create a variable, name it message, and we are going to store a value of cake. That's what I was challenged to do, cake, right? So we are going to allocate, give it a I think that this is used to give it a space in memory. It's a location in the memory, something like that. And let's make another directive. It's the code directive under which we will have main, and the main is where we are going to print this stuff. This is where we are going to say, hey computer, just print this onto the screen, right? Now I'm gonna import std out, standard out, where out means output, and let's add some thing. So now I'm telling this the address of the thing that I want to output is this variable, which is named as message, which we did earlier right here. So this is the same message, and let's exit out of it. Invoke exit process sys and comma 0. So we are going to exit this main process and end this main thing. Okay, we are done here. Our code is completed. Now the next thing we need to do is compile this code into an object, and from that object we need to create an executable.exe file. Let's do that. So we will open command prompt, and this is the exact directory where my code is, the cake.asm file, and the exact directory where my MASM Microsoft Assembler is installed to assemble this program. So I will specify a directory where the Microsoft Assembler is installed, and we will have the we will have the bin folder, and in bin folder there is an executable file that is used to compile, that is called ml. And then we have a couple of commands. I really don't know what do they do. If you know, then comment it out. Okay, and we will specify our file name, that is cake.asm, and this will convert a file into an object. Now from object we want to convert this file into an executable file. So let's do that. So we'll do /masm32 /bin /link, and this program of masm32 is used to convert our object file into an executable file. Let's enter some commands which I got from Google and I don't really understand the meaning of. So let's add cake.asm, press enter. Fatal error. I think that we did something wrong right here. What is it? Subsystem and console. Fatal error. lnk cake.asm is a correct file. I think that I made some mistake in the code. Let me check it. .386.model flat std call option case map none include /msm /include /kernel kernel 32.inc masm32.inc include lab. Oh, okay, wait, no, this is all right. /masm lib kernel 32. This seems all right. Message data directive, it's indented. Message db cake, 0 dot code main invoke standard out, address message invoke exit process, 0 and main. This seems correct. The code is like good. Code seems correct. Like, let's enter the commands again. Let's enter the commands again. I think that thing is all right with code. Okay, this doesn't work when I want to. Okay, I'm gonna enter the commands again. I don't know what went wrong. Everything has to go wrong live. /c /zd /cuff, and this is cake.asm assembled really right. Now file name is of course correct, masm32 /bin /link /subsystem cubs console this is cake.obj. Okay, so what the error I was having was that I, instead of writing cake.obj, which we compiled in the last step, I was writing cake.asm. I think that was a mistake. Now let's try to run our cake.exe file that has been assembled right now. and it prints cake in the terminal, which you can also change to anything that I want. Hello world. Let's not go through the pain of changing the file name. And let's do this again. Let's do this again with hello world so that I can show you. Slash masm slash bin slash mli slash c. I think that's good. Now it is assembled, and let's make this an object. Let's assemble this object into an executable file. Done. Now let's run cake.exe and we print hello world, the thing that I mentioned in the thumbnail and the description. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and I know that my video and my audio is having a huge latency, and that's because I am live right now, so sorry for that. So thank you. It has been a great stream.